Hey guys, I'm Toby. I'm going to be testing out some different audio equipment today. Right now I'm filming on the a6500 with just the on-camera mic, and it probably sounds pretty bad. It's kind of echoey in here. So I'm going to stop using this mic right now to finish the rest of the video. The next audio capturing mic I'm going to use is the Rode mic, so you're going to hear that right now. Now I'm filming with the Rode mic that's on the a6500, and already you can tell that the audio sounds like maybe 10 times better. It's way better. Definitely worth having a better mic on there. I'm also going to test out using my iPhone and seeing how the mic sounds on my iPhone. Also the footage coming out of my iPhone, it's the iPhone 11. And then I also have this other little device that I plug into my iPhone. It's another mic that I plug in, and you're supposed to get really good audio from that too. I've tried it a few different times and I can't really tell the difference, but I'm going to try it again today and see what the difference is. I'm also going to try out this other microphone I got from Fifine. I just bought this microphone. It was pretty cheap. I'm going to have that plugged in my computer, so I'm just going to use that for probably using it for podcasts, use it for doing like instructional videos and things when I'm doing screen capture on my computer. So let's see how the different sounds compare using the on-camera a6500 mic, the Rode mic, the Fifine mic, the one that I'm using just through the computer, not through the camera, and then also the microphone that I plug into my iPhone, and then also the iPhone mic too. So here I am. Now I'm on my computer. I'm recording through the Fifine microphone while I do a screen capture with Camtasia on my laptop. And I'm also recording right here with my iPhone 11 with the MV88 microphone plugged in as my microphone for my iPhone. Does that make sense? So I just want to see what the audio sounds like through this one. And so right now I'm isolating the sound that's coming out of my iPhone. That's what you're hearing right now as I'm talking normal. And I'm going to cut that. And now you're hearing me just talk through the Fifine microphone that's recording through the computer. I wanted to just test out and see what the different sounds were like coming out of my a6500, coming out of the Rode mic on my a6500, the Fifine microphone right here, and also the microphone that's on my iPhone. The last thing I wanted to record was to see what my iPhone sounds like when I'm recording without any kind of microphone. So I'm going to pull this microphone out, and while I have it out, you can see it. This is the little MV88. This thing, I forget how much it costs. It's like a couple $100, but I do notice that this works if there is background noise. I don't have a ton of background noise in here, so it's not really isolating my voice as much when I use this. But it does not pick up background noise as much as just the iPhone. So I just wanted to record my voice with just the microphone on my laptop on my MacBook Pro, and just see what that sounds like. So you can see right here I'm in my internal microphone. Now I'm back on the Fifine microphone I just got in the mail. It's a USB microphone, plugs right in, and I am also recording on my iPhone over here, right here. And this is my final thoughts on these microphones today. So the a6500 on-camera mic is not good. It works. I mean, if you have to use it, you got to use it. But if you can help it, I wouldn't. I would use that Rode mic. That Rode mic works really good. For recording with my computer right here, I think I will be using this microphone, the Fifine. I think it sounds good. I'm happy with it. And the iPhone on-camera mic is slightly a little bit not as good as when you use this, but this isn't really anything spectacular. when I'm outside and I just want to record something, I'll probably use this on my iPhone. So there you go. Hopefully you learned something. I'm not sure if I learned anything. Maybe I learned something. I think I learned something. Pretty sure. So take what you want from it. I don't know. Maybe I just confused the hell out of everybody. I'm not sure. Thanks a lot. Have a good day. Stay safe out there with the coronavirus. And subscribe. I'm going to make more videos. I got more time on my hands. I'm usually a wedding photographer, but there's not many weddings to be photographed right now. So I'm making videos. I'm doing new things. Check me out. Bye. Hey, one last thing I wanted to do was to just record the audio recording through my computer to see what it sounds like compared to when I was using the Fifine microphone. So I just want to compare all these things and just kind of come up with the best solution. And once I review this edit, I'm going to give my opinion of what I think. So thank you guys. I appreciate watching.